Good morning from Forster, New South Wales. Peter here on my sailboat Doxie, attempting to sail to Queensland. It's day 19 today, and it's probably about day 8 or 9 that I've been holed up here in the beautiful town of Forster, with several weather systems been preventing me from sailing north at this time. But hey, we just take these things in our stride, and it's another beautiful morning. Bit of a chill in the air, but not as bad as yesterday. And just swinging around here. There's Doxie, and people are starting to go out fishing again now. So the conditions on the bar are obviously improving. However, we are forecast for a big blow for the next few days. So that's going to put, well, the kibosh, if you like, on getting out of here anytime probably before Saturday, but we'll keep an eye on the forecast, obviously. Beautiful sunrise coming up, and I'll go for a little walk before the town gets busy. Not that it gets overly busy, but I can hear a fishing boat going out behind me. There he goes. We haven't seen that activity for a while now because of the weather, so yeah, good things are getting back to normal again. Yeah, the sun just is not punching through much today. Getting a bit on the panel, that's fine, but it's quite cool. Anyway, it's time to go and do some of that more mundane stuff. Okay, well, I've got the laundry deposited. That sky is looking a bit menacing. That's looking towards the sea out there. Let's see if we can go and scare up a coffee somewhere. Well, you got to do something while you're waiting for the laundry. This guy thinks so. Anyway, looking pretty grey through there, but no rain on the radar at this stage. Right, now I'm waiting for the drying cycle to happen, so I've just walked over to the beach. It looks brighter out there than here. It's actually, there's a dome of grey cloud hanging over us, which every now and then I just feel like there's a pinprick of water or something. Yeah, the Adams 10 that was in the river actually left this morning. Jack and Sophie. Now, I think I can see them on the horizon there actually, so I'm not going to try and zoom in on video. I tried on camera and I can just make out that it's a yacht. Anyway, I hope they get further. Yeah, get ahead of the weather at least anyway, that's due later on. So good luck if they did, that's great. Okay, thank you to the lovely ladies at Forster Laundromat. Off we go back to the boat. Isn't it funny what we think we remember? A friend of mine asked me last night, are your lights LED? And I thought, oh yeah, of course they are, yeah. And then I was thinking, hang on, I think that was my last boat. So I'm just taking this apart now, and not so much. So hey, opportunity here to save some power. So I might just take that light bulb out and take it up to a electrical retailer and see if they've got that size in LED. All right, something to do. Not that I'm running out of things to do on such a sultry day, but yeah, light bulb. Let's go and see what we can find. Well, I'm certainly getting my steps in for the sake of a few light bulbs. I've come here on a electric scooter and walking. Been to Bunnings, been to Better Electrical, been to Super Cheap Auto. I'm going to try Setnaz now, apparently that's the deal. So anyway, that's sort of obliquely across my path home. So let's try them. It's threatening to rain too. I'm feeling little spots on my head, but hopefully it holds off. Okay, this time it is over the little old rickety bridge. Let's hope the troll is asleep. Yes, ooh, this is where trolleys come to die, unfortunately. Okay, looking pretty grey out there, but we know there's nasty weather coming. Anyway, cross fingers, no troll. Okay, looks like we're stumped for now. Yeah, in a Repco, Setnaz, you name it. They don't have that, so I might have to look online and see what it is. Anyway, it got me out for my walk and I've done a lot of steps and I can feel it. So I think I'll start heading home now. The rain is really starting to try and get its foot in the door. So I think it might be time to go back. The sun's never come out today. It's just been grey and threatening all day. So, oh well, it is what it is. Okay, let's see how we get home. Okay, this will be a new experience for me. Buses freak me out. I never know where they're gonna go. Okay, bus 304 we're waiting for. Hey, this looks like it's coming now. Yeah, well, me and buses, right? They take cash. Cash? I haven't seen cash for years. Anyway, that's okay. We'll walk a bit further now, and the rain that started coming down has held off. So yeah, I'll just do a little bit more walking. Alright, I use this one, and now I'll just walk the little bit left back to the boat. And it's just starting to rain again, just for a change. Oh, here we are at the end of Monday, and it's raining. It's raining. Forster and rain. How will I ever separate the two? I have seen it on sunny days, but yeah, I'd like to see a couple more, that's for sure. Anyway, I got around, I did the laundry as you saw, and decided I'd set off and see if I could get some LED replacement bulbs for my cabin lights. No is the answer so far. I went to Bunnings, I went to Better Electrical, I went to Super Cheap Auto, went to Repco, went to Setmaj. Yet. So yeah, that might be something I pursue some other time, perhaps in a place like Brisbane or something where there is a little bit more choice of things, and it may just be that they don't exist. So anyway, it is what it is. It got me out and about. I walked 13.5 kilometers, so I can feel it in my legs. So it's got to be doing me good, right? I keep telling myself that. So anyway, here we are on a miserable day, and haven't seen the sunshine all day, so that's okay. Surprise that the Adams 10, Jack and Sophie, left this morning. Yeah, quite funny because they didn't say anything when I met them in the street. So that's fine. I hope they got. I think it's quite a quick boat. It's quite a narrow beam and long. I'd imagine so it'd go through the water very well. So they'll probably get ahead of all of this. So lucky them, good on them. Yeah, hopefully I don't catch up with them because obviously they're heading further north than I am, and yeah, I'd hate for anything to slow them down after they got such a good start. Anyway, that's the end of Monday, and thank you everybody for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. It will get more exciting, I promise. I know, it's just like, yeah, okay, we've done Forster, right? Not that there's anything wrong with that. Anyway, I will sign off now before I witter on any longer. So that's Dawn Raider out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.